Carroll Shelby once said, "I've always been asked, what is my favorite car? And I've always said, the next one." So Ford invited us out to check out the next one. And we think this new GT500 would definitely put a big old smile on Carroll's face.
My name's Carroll Shelby, and performance is my business.
So we headed out to the Autobahn Country Club in Joliet, Illinois to check out the most powerful and performance-based Mustang Ford has ever produced. As we arrived, we were greeted with a giant Cobra logo located in front of the new Mach 1, a 67 GT500, the GT350, and of course, the new GT500. So the day started off with a very detailed presentation of all that went into developing this new snake. From the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that shifts ridiculously quick, the Eaton TBS R2650 supercharger that's pumping out 12 pounds of boost, or the massive 16.5 two-piece rotors and 6-piston Brembos in the front and 4 pistons in the rear. Just a few of the performance upgrades making this no ordinary Mustang. Next, we were given a demonstration of the launch control capabilities that rocket the GT500 to a blistering 3.30 to 60. After the presentations, it was now time to have some fun, as we climb into the driver's seat and welcome the opportunity to hit the track.
Alright, here we are in the GT500.
Our time spent at Ford's GT500 North American Tour showed us just how much of a game changer this new GT500 is. Whether you slingshot it down the strip, toss it around a track, or power it through some canyon twisties, the performance capabilities are staggering in the new GT500, giving you the power to attack the asphalt and the confidence to come out looking like a hero. If you like this video, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks for watching.